Welcome back to Hunting Vintage with Dust. Now, this episode is going to be a little bit different than my previous episodes. I'm going to be unboxing some of my smaller lots that I've purchased through estate sales, local baseball card shops, and then going over some of the things that I've learned in posting my first 15 videos up to this point. Paid $35 for these cards that I got at a local baseball card shop. Got Eno Slaughter, got a Willie Mays, Orlando Cepeda, Ernie Banks, and then a Jim Cat rookie card. It is severely damaged. It's got a crease here. Paid like $10 for it. What I've learned when it comes to thumbnails, your thumbnails need to be simple and they need to be eye-catching with natural colors. And they need to evoke feelings of curiosity, fear, and desire, because you want to invoke that curiosity for the person to click on your video to take a look at it and see what's going on. And then your thumbnail should be an extension of the title, not just repeating what the title is. Now, when it comes to your title, the most important is the first 50 characters, because when people are scrolling, that's what they're going to see. They're going to see the first 50 characters. They're not going to see much more beyond that. But you want to make sure your keywords are in your title or whatever content that you're posting, because you want it to be eye-catching, invoke those feelings of fear, curiosity, and desire for the person to want to click in and check out or more of your Now, this is a purchase that I got through an estate sale. Did not pay $50 for it. I think with shipping and taxing, I paid like $25 for the card. Probably about $5 more than I would have. That's the problem when you're purchasing cards online. You can't see it, but there's a little ding right here. Dave Winfield rookie, 1974. So again, your descriptions are very important too. You want your keywords from your title and your description. That helps the algorithm, especially if you're a new content creator, get your information out to people. Decide whether or not when they're scrolling through the feeds if they want to watch it. Keywords in the title and in the description help make it so people have a chance get to see that content that you're creating. When you're in your description, you want to make sure that you're using natural language. I know some people out there are using AI. That could actually be a negative consequence through YouTube's AI features to determine whether or not content's good or not. When you're uploading your videos, especially if you're a small channel and new creator, that you uncheck the release to subscribers function or box. Because if you don't have anybody to really release it to, then the algorithm may cause it not to go out to the masses as much, because they think you have enough people who are willing to watch your content. Now, in the bottom, when you're posting your content, there is a section for keywords. You want to make sure as you add as many keywords as possible in there. They're not as important as the keywords in your title and in your description, but it does help the algorithm decide whether or not who they want to push the content out to. Always pin a comment. That way it sees that somebody's there, somebody's watching, or somebody's looking into it. It does help the algorithm as well with that pinned comment. Download YouTube Studios to your phone. There's a function when you go into your videos and you watch them that you can hit remix. Remix button will allow you to create shorts as an extension of your video, trying to draw people in. Now, there's two types of videos you have. You have the videos that you post and hope that people are going to click on when they're scrolling through their feeds. The other is searchable. If you want a higher outreach of people checking into your content, searchable is more important. And the reason why I say that, my most watched long form video mentions Scooby-Doo in it. And then I looked at the statistics, and a lot of people who watch this video has clicked on it because it has the word Scooby-Doo in it. Here we go. 1975 Robin Yount rookie card. This one I paid a little bit more than I would have liked to. I think it was almost $40. But this one actually looks fairly clean. Pretty nice Robin Yount rookie card. So again, download YouTube Studio your phone, which will allow you to create easier shorts, so that way you can have a larger reach. Now the shorts, again, there's a function that allows you to connect the primary video that the short's being cut from. So if you want to push one video, that you can use that short, it has that opportunity for the person who's like, oh, I want to learn more, dive deeper into your content, hopefully drawing them into your content to be able to watch. Don't neglect your shorts. And from my experience, the reason why I tell you download YouTube Studios for your phone, I didn't have the remix button to be able to create shorts until I download at YouTube Studios. When it comes to editing your videos, you want to probably be around 6 to 12 minutes in length. That's usually the best. People have short attention spans. Anything longer than that, they might not hang out for it. Now, the one thing I fell issue to is I started using 1.5 speed, trying to take like a 30-minute video and cut it down into that 12 to 13 minutes, and it came too much for me. I realized that after like the third or fourth time that I did it, and then I decided, I made a promise to myself never to use like fast releasing material again. Now, this is a lot that I purchased. It was like $15, but with shipping and everything else, it was $23, and it was some kind of mystery cards is what they called it. The pictures was a lot of different packs, and so I was thinking to myself, maybe I'll get a box or something. No, of course not. It's a lot of different open baseball card packs. Oh man, these are a lot of junk wax error cards too. I don't think there's a lot of value in these. Reason why I'm opening this too is my kids want to open some packs, and so I promise that I'll open some packs with them tomorrow, or the next video that you'll see posted on my channel will be me and my kids opening up some packs. But try to keep the flow smooth. Remove filler words or sounds. I think the very first video that I posted had a lot of sniffing in it because allergies or whatever. I think I counted 72 times in it, and it was really distracting. So you want to make sure you get rid of filler words when you're doing your editing and any other unnecessary sounds that might distract your viewers. And then keep in mind, everything you record does not need to be released. In closing, when it comes to posting content, think of it like a small little creek flowing down into a stream. The stream leads into a river. The river leads into the ocean. As a small creator, you're not going to get a lot of subscribers fast unless you're posting very controversial topics or searchable things such as education, learning how-tos, things of that nature. In my case, opening up baseball cards, showing people different things that I find. That is a very small niche of people. I got 15 videos right now, and I'm at 19, 20 subscribers, and I think half of them are my family. Think of it, as my dad said, Rome wasn't built in a day, so you're not going to become this great content creator in one day unless you post something that's very viral. Decide your niche, stick to your niche, and if you want to try to grow your channel faster, have it things that are searchable. If you want to grow, then trying to grow through people scrolling and finding your content at random. I hope this helps. As a small creator, if you like this information and you like looking at baseball cards, check out the other videos that I have. Again, I got 15 videos. Again, like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.